Thanks, guys. While rain this past weekend kept some people inside, others went to the weekly Bloomington Community Farmers Market to support local farmers and vendors. Check it out. Rain or shine, the market doesn't stop. Even with rain falling through the morning, vendors set up in downtown Bloomington, selling produce, goods, and sticking to their routine. Because for many of them, a day off isn't really an option.
Oh my gosh, it's so important. This is so good for us. If we don't come here, then we don't make a living, you know? And it's so great that we have this area to do this and we're able to just sell to everybody and get our name out there, because some people don't even know that there's farms around here.
While vendors depend on the market for their livelihood, the community depends on it for something else: access to fresh food and a space to gather.
It's a great place to not only get fresh produce and honey and meat and eggs and flowers and all the things that are produced by the bounty of southern Indiana, but also to see your neighbors. It's just a real community gathering. It's an event to be part of the city and be part of our region.
But even in the rain, vendors say the community continues to show up.
Bloomington is amazing community for the farmers market. They are very supportive. They come out in the rain. They are very loyal to show up and support the farmers market.
In Bloomington, rain can't wash away this market. For IUSTV News, I'm Mireille Fernandez. The community market takes place every Saturday from 8:30 in the morning to 12:30 in the evening. Guys, back to you.